Sometimes all it takes like a very small moment where you just see, oh my God, not everything is as it seems, that you are much more than a limited human being. It's the same pattern. Everybody's going through a very similar pattern of having some awakening that sometimes can be really painful, sometimes really beautiful. An epiphany, a satori, samadhi, something that happens in their life that makes them re-examine their entire life. That's sometimes all it takes, like a very small moment where you just see, oh my God, not everything is as it seems. So it's like comparable to a lot of the movies that you see where the hero goes on this journey, this adventure, where he first realizes, or she first realizes, that there is more to this, like in Matrix, when Neo is invited to make a choice whether he wants to discover the truth or just stay in the illusion. But once he's been invited, he's like, how can you really go back into illusion anymore? And once you've had a tiny taste of the truth, that you are much more than a limited human being, how can you go back to believing that? I mean, of course, you have habits that you have built, you have karmas and samskaras that try to bring you back, and for years, even after awakening, fall, you may commit mistakes, you may do things that your own self doesn't agree with, because that's how the world is. When you're born into a world where there is so much conditioning, when there is so much darkness, seeing it from outside, when you go deeper into awakening, you will see that everything is an expression of God. But in the beginning, it looks very dark. In the beginning, it looks like this entire world is so confusing, chaotic. And you try to do your best. Who can blame you? You tried your best from where you are. No matter what has been, no matter how the past has somehow expressed itself in your life, right now, you are worthy. You are divine. You have the doorway of awakening open to you if you choose to walk through it.